Welcome to RMM Help. In this session we provide an overview of adding asset financial details to an asset record in RMM. We recommend that you view the separate videos on the asset register overview and the introduction to adding assets and the asset details videos before setting up your financial details. So we carry on from the asset register details. We've entered this information, we'd saved our record, and then we click on the Financials tab. The Financials tab contains all of the financial information that we might have from our source documents. So that would be the delivery note, purchase orders, contracts, that kind of information. And the prime use of the Financials tab is to record the price that we paid for an item and potentially any insurance costs, to put its residual life, the life that we would typically expect to get from that asset, and then to be able to calculate an estimated replacement date. So in our price we would enter a value here, so I put in £1,000. We could add the date that we've purchased the asset, so I'll put today's date, a purchase order reference. Now this section here where we've got book value and accumulated depreciation, this level of financial detail is typically held in our capital asset register, the capital charging register, and RMM can provide a link as standard to the RMM CapCare capital charging system, or we could make a link available to you to your own financial records if that was applicable. So all we need to put in here is our expected life. So let's say for instance this was a piece of short life medical equipment and we put a financial expected life of 5 years. When we click on tab, our estimated replacement date is automatically calculated, being 5 years added on to our purchase date. We could put in an estimated replacement cost. Let's say we think it's still going to be £1,000. And here in our nominal or finance code, we can put a link there to our finance department's records if required. We've then got a free format field for notes, and then 2 items that we take from drop down lists. We've got our insurance details, and although we have this accumulated maintenance cost as the lifetime cost of the asset, we might need to do a sum where we would add that insurance value to this if we were looking for a true lifetime cost of the asset. We could then select our cost center. We'll put in mechanical and engineering. We might have a financial reference, and if we'd borrowed money to purchase that, we might want to put in an APR rate for the cost of borrowing. And we would then, that would conclude what we need to do on financial details. But before we click on the picture tab, we'll click on save. We must save our record, and that concludes the overview of adding the financial details to an asset record in RMM.